Assalamu alaikum student. Today the topic is demography, fertility related statistics. Fertility related statistics. The number one and most important is birth rate. Birth rate is the simplest indicator of fertility and is defined as the number of live births per thousand estimated mid-year population in a given year. It is given by the formula birth rate is equal to number of live births during the year over estimated mid-year population multiplied by 1000. The birth rate is an unsatisfactory measure of fertility because the total population is not exposed to childbearing. Therefore, it does not give a true idea of a fertility of a population. The next measure is general fertility rate GFR. It is the number of live births per thousand women in the reproductive age group, which is 15 to 44 or 49 years in a different country in the given year. So the GFR general fertility rate can be calculated as number of live births in an area during the year divided by mid-year female population aged 15 to 44 or 49 in the same area in the same year multiplied by 1000. General fertility rate is a better measure of fertility than crude birth rate because the denominator is restricted to the number of women in the childbearing age rather than the whole population. The major weakness of this rate is that not all women in the denominator are exposed to the risk of childbirth, but it is better than crude birth rate or birth rate. General marital fertility rate GMFR. It is the live birth per thousand married women in the reproductive age group 15 to 44 or 49 in a given year. It is better than general fertility rate because married women who are exposed to risk of children are included in the denominator. So it is calculated as number of live births in a year divided by the mid-year married female population in the age group of 15 to 49 year multiplied by 1000. So this is better than crude birth rate and general fertility rate. The next is age specific fertility rate ASFR. A more precise measure of fertility is age specific fertility rate, defined as the number of live births in a year to 1000 women in any specified age group. The age specific fertility rate throw light on the fertility pattern. They are also sensitive indicator of family planning achievements. It is calculated as ASFR is equal to number of live births in a particular age group divided by mid-year female population of the same age group multiplied by 1000. So how this is age specific fertility rate can be calculated, and it is the more precise than the previous indicators. The next indicator is age specific marital fertility rate ASMFR. It is the number of live births in a year to 1000 married women in any specified age group. This indicator include married women and of a specific age group. So it is calculated as ASMFR is equal to number of live births in the particular age group divided by mid-year married female population of the same age group multiplied by 1000. So in this formula we need married women and specific age group, which is important to calculate this age specific marital fertility rate. The next measure is total fertility rate TFR. It is used also in the demography. Total fertility rate represents the average number of children a woman would have if she were to pass through the reproductive years bearing children at the same rate as the woman now in each age group. It is computed by summing the age specific fertility rate for all ages. If 5-year age group are used, the sum of the rate is multiplied by 5. The measures give the approximate magnitude of the completed family size. So TFR is calculated as 5 into multiplied by age specific fertility rate, which starts from 15 to 19, 21 to 25, one last is 45 to 49, or divided by 1000. So this is the total fertility rate. It gives the total number of children of a woman in a particular area. Total marital fertility rate TMFR. Average number of children that would be born to a married woman if she experiences the current fertility pattern throughout her reproductive span. So TMFR is equal to 5 into age specific marital fertility rates divided by 1000. Gross reproduction rate GFRR. Average number of girls that would be born to a woman if she experiences the current fertility pattern throughout her reproductive span, which is 15 to 44 or 49 years, assuming no mortality. So GRR, gross reproduction rate, can be calculated as 5 into age specific fertility rate for female alive birth divided by 1000. Net reproduction rate NRR. Net reproduction rate is defined as the number of daughters a newborn girl will bear during her lifetime, assuming fixed age specific fertility and mortality rates. NRR is demographic indicator. NRR is equivalent to attaining approximately the 2-child norm. If the NRR is less than 1, the reproductive performance of the population is said to be below the replacement level. When it is 1, it is the replacement level. One couple should have 2-child norm, at least one daughter. The next indicator is child woman ratio. It is the number of children 0 to 4 years of age per 1000 women of childbearing age, usually defined as 15 to 44 or 49 years of age. This ratio is used where birth registration statistics either do not exist or are inadequate. It is estimated through data derived from census. The next is pregnancy rate. It is the ratio of number of pregnancies in a year to married women in the ages 15 to 44 years. The number of pregnancies includes all pregnancies, whether these had terminated as a live birth, stillbirth, or abortion, or had not yet terminated. So, this is the pregnancy rate. Next is abortion rate. The annual number of all type of abortions, usually per 1000 women of childbearing age, usually defined as age 15 to 44. So abortion rate can be calculated total number of abortions divided by females of childbearing age multiplied by 1000. Abortion ratio. This is calculated by dividing the number of abortion performed during a particular time period by the number of live births over the same period. So rate and ratio are different. marriage rate, it is the number of marriages in a year per thousand population. This could be crude marriage rate or general marriage rate. Crude marriage rate is calculated as number of marriages in a year over mid-year population multiplied by 1000. Demographers consider this is very unsatisfactory rate because the denominator is comprised primarily of population that is not eligible to marry. A more sensitive rate is the general marriage rate. So, general marriage rate can be calculated as number of marriages within 1 year divided by number of unmarried person ages 15 to 49 years multiplied by 1000. This rate is more accurate when computed for women than for men because more men than women marry at the older age. So, general marriage rate is better than crude marriage rate. So, these are the fertility related statistics which we study in this lecture. So, thank you very much. Inshallah, in next lecture we will study the further topic. Allah Hafiz.